Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to enable the spell check and grammar tool in Outlook in 2026. Now this particular feature is powered by Microsoft Editor. It is going to ensure your emails are professional and error free before you hit that send button. So without further delay, let's get straight into how you can do it step by step. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer. Now click on the option of new mail button here in the top left hand corner of the screen to open a blank message window in front of you. Now inside the message window, you need to look at the top ribbon that you see here. Now among these, simply click on the option of the options tab. Now when you click on the options tab, you need to look for the button that is labeled as editor. Now here in the editor tab, all you need to do is you just have to simply take a look at the editing settings. So this is going to open the customization windows for the proofing tools. Now in the settings window, ensure that the spelling option is check. Then we have the grammar option. Make sure that it is also check. If it is not check, you can just simply hover over to it and click on the option of turned on. You can just simply do it and close the settings, and now you can just simply type your mail as you have successfully enabled the spell check option in Outlook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.